In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert an HEIC file to a JPEG or a PNG on a Mac computer. HEIC files are the default file type for photos coming out of an iPhone, and when you need to upload a photo online, oftentimes these HEIC files are not an accepted file type, so converting it will often fix that issue for you. First, you're going to want to open up your Finder and find the photo that you're looking to convert. You're going to right-click on the file, go to Quick Actions, and click Convert Image. From here, you can select if you would like to convert this to a JPEG or a PNG file. You can also change the size of the image if you want it to be exactly the same as the original. You're just going to leave it on actual size. We also have preserved metadata checked, which just means that things like the time, date, and location of the photo are going to be preserved once we convert it over. Then we're just going to click Convert, and you'll see the new JPEG file pop up here. You can also convert multiple files at a time, which is great. If I wanted to select these, I'm going to click, hold Shift, and select down to that last image that I want to convert. If you want everything selected, you can use Command A. And if you would like to only select some of the photos, you can hold down Command while you click the photos that you would like. Then it's exactly the same process. You right-click, go to Quick Actions, Convert Image, and convert, and you'll see that a JPEG was created for each of the files that we had selected. So that is how you convert an HEIC file to a JPEG or a PNG on a Mac. If this was helpful, be sure to subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.